In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Facebook account is suspended. Friends, if your account has been suspended, it's important to act quickly. You only have a limited time to submit an appeal, usually 180 days. If you don't submit your appeal within this period, your account could be permanently disabled and you won't be able to recover it. So, what does this mean? Once you submit an appeal, Facebook will review your account thoroughly. They will check for any issues, verify your identity, and make sure your problem is resolved. This process ensures your account can be safely restored. Now, let's look at why your account might have been suspended. If you recently created a new account, Facebook may need to verify that it's not a bot or spam account. Using multiple accounts from the same phone number, or creating accounts with temporary or disposable emails can also trigger a suspension. Many people face this issue, so Facebook flags the account for verification. To fix this, you'll often see an Appeal Submit option at the bottom of the login screen. When you click it, Facebook may ask you to confirm your identity with a video selfie. You'll need to click Continue, then Start Selfie, record your video, and submit it. Once your video is submitted, Facebook will review it and restore your account if everything checks out. If you don't see the video selfie option, or if you've already tried it without success, there's another method. Open your browser and search for Facebook Feedback. Open the feedback page and fill out all required details, including the email address or phone number linked to your account, then click Submit. After some time, you'll receive a reply from Facebook. Carefully follow the instructions in the reply. If necessary, you may need to repeat this process every 12 hours until you get a response. Once you receive a response, you can share it with support groups or forums for guidance on the next steps. If your appeal works, your account will be restored. If it doesn't, the reply will tell you what additional actions you need to take. Remember, patience is key. Facebook reviews can take time, and repeated attempts with correct information will increase your chances of recovering your account. Following these steps will give you the best chance to get your suspended Facebook account back safely and quickly.